Hello everyone, welcome to ZW channel. I'm your old friend Sam Lee. I'm standing in front of the Guangzhou Pearl River Tower, where ZWSoft is headquartered. ZWCAD 2022 has been officially released on July 22nd. Many users praise these versions for its quick opening of joins. Is it really that fast? And what's new? Wait, hang on a second. Come with me to find out. Here is ZWCAD Product Manager Kyle. Hi Kyle.
Hi Sam.
It is said that ZWCAD 2022 made a leap in efficiency in 3 aspects. Could you please explain it to us?
Sure, leave it to me. The pursuit of faster operation is no exception in this version, as we put users' experience first. ZWCAD 2022 runs faster in 3 aspects: join opening, plotting, and operation. Let's have a chat. ZWCAD 2022 can open a join 40% faster than the previous version. The speed advantage will be more probable when you open a big file. Second, in ZWCAD 2022, the plot module is compatible with the new graphic engine. Plotting efficiency improves significantly, especially in plotting complicated joins and plotting with specific printers. Thirdly, the speed of action like pan is faster by 6 times and zoom is faster by 2 times. The smoother operation leads to a more enjoyable join experience for users.
I see. Those optimized features might seem simple, but are actually practical to boost designers' productivity.
Exactly. A good CAD program won't keep you waiting. ZWSoft is seeking the fastest join speed and finest product experience. My teammate, Victor, will introduce you the new features of ZWCAD 2022.
Hello everyone, I'm Victor. It's my pleasure to introduce you to the new feature of ZWCAD 2022. The first new feature is data link. Let's give it a quick try. This robust function can link ZWCAD to spreadsheet software. With simple association, the data can be synchronized immediately between ZWCAD and linked sheets. The associative array allows users to copy multiple items based on certain rules. The design efficiency increases accordingly. Besides the existing rectangular array and polar array, the path array was added to this new version. By dragging the grids of the array, users can easily adjust it. Users could also change the array data with the help of ribbon context menu. These improvements are convenient for users, making array editing intuitive. The third feature is my favorite, that is Flatshot. It's like a camera that can convert 3D object to 2D image. After the conversion is completed, you can insert the 2D image into the current drawing as a block reference, or replace the existing block or export it as a single DWG file. This function facilitates communication between users by allowing users to output or convert a big 3D files to a lighter 2D file.
That's awesome. I had received a bunch of suggestions on such functions. Couldn't be happier to see them implemented.
Yeah, those changes are improvements based on users' feedback in previous version.
Let's welcome Claire to tell us what other surprises are waiting for us in ZWCAD.
Hi, I'm Claire. ZWCAD 2022 supports Ifc Input, which means that users can deal with a complicated Ifc model in a lighter way and more intuitive way. Let's have a quick look at it. After importing the Ifc file, we can view the 3D models freely by 3D Orbit. The Ifc Structural Panel is a powerful function. I will show you how to check the data in it and extract them by data extraction. Besides, the viewport is adjustable from now on. By dragging the border, we can easily adjust viewport size or create more viewports. Clear and intuitive, isn't it? Last but not least, I would like to introduce the newly added Anti-Aliasing Switch. It will smooth the appearance of jagged entities and improve graphics display quality. ZWCAD keeps improving, and every detail counts in our work. Try it, and you won't regret it. Now, back to Sam.
I believe you guys have had an in-depth understanding of ZWCAD 2022. ZWSoft keeps developing the core technologies to enhance users' drawing experience, and this version is another leap. Get the free trial from the link below. Start happy CADing with ZWCAD 2022. Bye!